guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to try the Green Full Oil collection by Sennelier. And for some reason I found that on YouTube not a lot of people talked about this. Of course my dog had to interrupt the intro. So here I am in this video. This is going to be a full-on review on paper and canvas of the whole collection, so mediums and thinner. This is my personal experience and thoughts because it's not sponsored. I bought it myself with my own money, so this won't be biased. Please note that I'm still a beginner when it comes to oils, so I won't know all the technical terms and everything. I will speak with my own words what I think about it. And I bought this collection mainly for the toxic-free aspect of it.
Special package arrived. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing, this is the gel medium. One. Then we have, this is the thinner. This is the universal medium. Okay, last but not least, this is the oil brush cleaner. This is these two were the two things I really wanted. Okay, this is the medium gel. I've never tried medium gel for oils, so this is going to be interesting. This is the whole collection. Ordered everything on this website. It's a French website. I'm going to try this today. It's oil brush cleaner, but you can use it for cleaning palettes, and I just took most of the paint off of my glass palette, so I'm going to try it to see if it works. Okay, so it has no particular smell, like that. Oh yeah, it works. Okay, so for cleaning the palette, it works pretty nice actually. I'm gonna do swatches first. The thinner now. This is the oil brush cleaner. Yeah, works pretty well. I mean, the brush is stained, of course, but it's almost white, just like it was. So yeah, the brush cleaner is approved. The brush cleaner works very well in my opinion. Universal medium. Ooh.
This one on paper is not taking well at all. How bad it's blending on paper, so I do not approve this for painting on paper, but... Okay, so I'm going to test on the canvas today. It works way better on the canvas now. I'm gonna try the medium gel now, this one. I'm trying this medium now. Oh, yeah. Okay. First impressions, I feel like it shouldn't be this way for some reason, but this one, you get thicker paint for some reason. And this one, it kind of thins out the paint a bit more, which is weird because it said that it's suitable for in-depth work, and it increases the consistency of the paint. Overall, I like both because I've never tried gel mediums in tubes like this one before. And actually for the size of this thing, in my area, I can only have like the 𝔚𝔬𝔲𝔠𝔬𝔪 one, which is 40 bucks. And this one I paid 13 euros. These mediums are really not expensive. If you're trying out like me, they're a good alternative in my opinion. Overall, it's a good surprise, and especially with this one, because you saw me use in the first try that I tried. It was actually on paper in my sketchbook, and that wasn't the best idea, so I really wanted to try on a canvas because it's definitely not the same feel of it. Honestly, it's really good. It's really similar to what I usually use. I'm sorry I'm not going more in depth as I don't know all the technical terms and everything, but try to add a bit more paint. Oh yeah. I'm really sorry for the bad angles and lighting. So yeah, you can see I'm adding more paint now on top of it, and it works. It works pretty well. I'm really happy about that. It glides really well. Okay, it's not perfect. I think it might not be the best on the market, but it works. It works really good in my opinion. I personally really enjoy. I have nothing bad to say about it. I'm gonna be honest. I really like it. I'm so happy that I found non-toxic mediums. I'm gonna show it to you real quick what I usually use. I have this one. Okay, there you go. This one by 𝔚𝔬𝔲𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬
This one's really good. I really like it. I've been using this one because this is the fast drying one from Winsor & Newton. I'm not a huge fan of this one though. It's personal preference. Really, I can't seem to like it, but I'm really happy that I bought these. It's overall, for now, it's working really great.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments if you tried this collection or if you want to give it a try. I will do my best to put all of the links to these products in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and see you very soon. Bye!